Starting university can be a bit overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. The First Year Experience Mentorship Program is designed to give you all the support you need as you make your transition from high school to university life. You'll be paired with a senior student who has extensive institutional knowledge and experience of student and academic life within the university. Moreover, these are select students who excel academically and in co-curricular activities. These mentors have been in your shoes. They've learned the ropes and are ready to help you get through your journey. The goals of the First Year Experience Mentorship Program is to create safe spaces for first-year students to build support networks, connect first-year students to key support structures, foster a culture of goal-oriented relationships, and to ensure that first-year students feel as partners in their learning journey.
I didn't know that we were going to have mentors. I thought we were just going to deal with all of the challenges, all of the hardships on our own. They really gave me the guidance that I needed.
My mentor's been very helpful. In the beginning, she sent me a list of venues and buildings and where they are, which helped a lot.
The mentor came to save the day. They helped me to understand how the courses works, since it was someone who did the same course that I did.
My mentor did help to make things easier. She'd try her best to make people as comfortable as possible because most of us are a bit shy.
My mentor helped me navigate university and life after university, as she helped us create our CVs and see what the paths were for certain degrees after uni had finished.
You're going to be provided with mentors. The SSCDU provides counseling and they will help you because first year can be very overwhelming and you need all the support you can get.
I think mentorship is quite important in society as a whole, but it's especially important in university. At times when you walk into a new environment, it may be overwhelming, you may be nervous, but you need someone to just guide you in the right direction.
Mentorship is more than just offering guidance. It's like a partnership, between the mentor and the mentee. It creates a bridge between where someone is and where they want to be.
I applied to be a mentor not only because I wanted to give back, but because I understood how challenging it was when I first came into this space. Mentorship also aligned with my passion for leadership and helping others.
I thought that this would be a great opportunity to learn more about the mentorship relationship, because I've already been a mentee. So to see how that relationship works from a training perspective and from the perspective of being a mentor, I thought would be invaluable.
Mentorship is all about working together. Your mentor will guide you, but it's up to you to show the willingness to actively participate in the mentoring process. Demonstrate openness to feedback and show a genuine interest in self-improvement. Remember, if you don't know where you're going, why not ask someone who has been there before?